Hey, two and two beds. Welcome to the train station night market. I'm gonna give you a little tour of this beautiful night market here at the train station night market. Okay. Okay. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Patalung. Now let's see what they're selling here. Okay, here we have some fried food.
1 กล่องค่ะ
Wow. Okay, and here it is. Okay. And I hope you enjoyed today's episode. It's also Songkran, so I might be splashed with water. So here it is, got train station night market. Okay. Wow, they have everything, all types of food here. Ooh, they have corn. I love this corn, yeah. They have smoothies here, which is good. I like a good smoothie. Here's some. Wow, they have everything here. Wow. They have everything here. Check it out, guys. They have these little tacos here. Oh, takoyaki. Very nice. And there's a very beautiful mountain. You see that mountain? It's a very, one of the most popular romantic mountains in Patalung. Okay, let's see. They have a lot of fried food here. They got fried chicken. Let's see what they got over here. I'm not too sure what time the market closes. Maybe close. Let me ask. See what time they close. Let me ask somebody, okay? What time market open and what time market closes? ตลาดเปิดกี่โมงครับตลาดเปิดกี่โมง
ตลาดนี้เปิดบ่าย3 โมง
บ่าย3แล้วก็ปิดกี่โมง
3 ทุ่ม
3 ทุ่มโอเค Thank you Close 9 p.m. Ooh, mango. Wow, nice. Yellow rice. Okay. So basically, that's the traffic jam right there, and hello. Okay. สวัสดีครับ Fried. That looks very nice, banging, yeah. And this is your yellow rice. And that's about it, guys. That's about it. Now I'm gonna walk back. Now. I'm gonna stop it though. That's about it because I just wanted to give you a little tour of the market. Now I'm gonna walk back. And not sure what I'm gonna get, but let me see what I'm gonna get, okay? But I hope you enjoyed today's episode here at the train station night market, okay? And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. I hope I can show you more of Patalung province in my journeys to the 77 provinces and beyond. So, okay, 2 birds and 2 beds. Not sure what I'm gonna get. Let me think about it. Let me walk around. That looks very nice. Wow, okay. Have no idea what I'm gonna get. I want pretty much everything. They have dessert here. They have drinks here. Okay, it's blowing my mind right now. There's the train, by the way. So that's why they call it the train market, okay? Okay, I think that's it for today's episode. I'm gonna stop it now. I'll see you in the next episode. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Okay. Bye bye. Happy Songkran.